Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to secure the bag. Okay, secure the wig without any gel, glue, tape, any of that stuff. So basically I'm just showing you how to get your wig laid and slayed. It ain't going nowhere without all the mold down, without any tension on your edges, without the stocking cap method, and you got it nice and secure for the whole day. Okay, if you're interested in seeing how I secure the wig, go ahead and stay tuned. So this video is sponsored by RPGHair, so shout out to them for sending me this amazing wig. Y'all already know all info is down below in that description box, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump into what they sent me. So they sent a comb and a little hair care, tip thing. And this wig is actually another YouTuber's like signature style, so I thought that was really dope. And here's the inside of the wig, those 3 combs for the frontal, and then that large comb and adjustable bands in the back. So this wig is pre-plucked, which is definitely a plus. Had the baby hairs and everything. The hairline was just amazing, perfect, which is definitely just 2 thumbs up. So now I'm going and spraying this hair with water. I love curly hair because you really don't have to do much to it. Just spray it down. I didn't get it soaking wet, just enough to where I can get my curls styled and defined. And then I went in with this Aussie Mega Moist conditioner, and I just use this to define the curls, and it just smells so good. I love this conditioner. I love to use it. I use it on my natural hair sometimes too, but I like to use it on weave because it just smells good, and I like my weave to smell good. So I'm just using this, and as you can see, it just got the curls popping. And I just wanted to show you this shedding. Like, what shedding? Like, I hardly got any shedding with this hair, which was amazing because normally you get a little bit of shedding with curly hair, but this wig, girl, no, I got like no shedding. And next, as you can see, I'm just cutting off my lace, and then also cutting off that back lace, which is super important because you don't want that itch in your neck. So moving on to the next step, I'm just using this Eco Solid gel to lay down my edges, just basically getting them nice and tamed and out the way. And I'm gonna be using a stocking cap and this wig grip, which I'm gonna talk about in just a minute. But I just start by putting on my stocking cap, and I make sure to like slide it back, and I leave like an inch of my hair at the front. So anyway, about this wig grip, girl, I don't remember which company sent this to me, but it is amazing. I love the wig grip. Like, it just keeps your wig nice and secure. If you don't want to like mold it down, this is perfect because it just holds the wig in place. Your wig ain't gonna be flying off in public. And I just put that wig grip right where I put my cap, and that's it. The next step in getting this no mold down the wig on is to just secure it as much as possible. So I did go ahead and move my adjustable bands really tight. I moved it like both of them to like the middle, just so it could be nice and snug to my head. So I'm just throwing that wig on, and the next thing you want to do is to make sure all that lace is cut off around your ear. So I do that while my wig is on my head so I can get a perfect, cut, and I just carve out my ears because, like I told you on a previous video, that lace around the ears will literally drive you crazy. So I make sure I go ahead and cut all that extra lace off. So next, I'm just going in to do my baby hairs, which is really the key to getting this wig to stay and to, lay down that lace without the whole mold down technique. And then I'm just going in with my eyebrow razor to cut them down. I like using the eyebrow razor because it gives you a nice wispy look rather than the cut being like real harsh and blunt. So now I'm going in with my Got To Be Glued gel to lay down my edges, and I'm basically using this as an edge control, and I like using this as an edge control sometimes because it gives it like a hold. And then I'm going in with my little eyebrow spoolie. You already know this gives you the best baby hair, I swear. So I'm just swooping out my baby hairs, and the key to doing my baby hairs, it takes me a minute to get my baby hairs looking right. Like, they be looking a little crazy, but it's a method to this madness. But I just like to like swoop my baby hairs back up into the lace, if that makes sense, just so it can like stick and stay, and it also helps to like hide the lace a little more. So here is how this hairline is looking. It's looking pretty nice, but as y'all can see, that lace is like girl. So yeah, I'm going in with some concealer to get this lace more of my color, and I'm just using a concealer like close to my skin tone and just dabbing it in. Hey, look at that. Hey. But honestly, next time I think I'll just put concealer on the inside of the lace. I think that might look a little better and won't be as messy because I kept getting this concealer like on the hair, which I had to keep trying to wipe off. So that is something that I'll definitely do different next time. So here I just want to show y'all how secure this wig is. Like, you can still pull it up into a ponytail. It's very secure just with your edges being laid down. Like, that's it. No stocking cap method, no meltdown method. basic, simple, bam, boom. So here is the look, honey. Are you feeling it or not? So I just love this wig so much. The curls were super soft. You could run your hands right through the curls. Very manageable. Not to mention this cut, like, girl. All the information will be down below in the description box. Thank you again to RPGHair for sending me this beautiful wig. And thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll talk to y'all in another video.